Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is February the 26th, and what you're looking at here is a plant that I started out just for a little bit of a joke and a little bit of a test, and you can see how large this thing is. And the last time you saw this was 12 days ago. I'll just put up on screen what it looked like 12 days ago. That was back on Valentine's Day, the 14th of February. So you can see an amazing amount of growth that has been happening. This plant has been getting 16 hours of artificial light every day using my LED grow lights. So I'll just give this a little bit of a spin. There's not too much water in here right now. I'll just kind of tilt it up here. I just want to make sure I'm on camera. But you can see the roots in there. And this thing here is amazing how much water it is drinking every single day. It's kind of sad because right now we're still in winter, still have a lot of snow outside. My planting area is around, the last couple of days of May right into the first couple of days of June. If I really want to be safe, where we're not going to be getting any more frost. So I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with this plant. It's pretty well, I can't really do much with it. But let me just lift this up so you can see the amount of roots. Look at that. Amazing. It's mind-boggling. This is really my first, kind of little trial run getting into hydroponics. And it's really amazing. Like, until you do it yourself, you don't really believe it. You watch a few videos here and there, you hear, maybe your neighbor talking about it, but until you actually experience something like this yourself, you don't believe it. And then once you do, it just changes your whole mindset on how to grow plants. So this is pretty impressive. I'll just give it a little spin here, and you can see how well this plant is growing. Now, I've been feeding this a solution of the water and that fertilizer, which I'll show you now. I'll just bring that in right here. Got to tilt it so that you can see it. Oh, there we go. So this here is made by Miracle Grow, and it's about a teaspoon per gallon of water. So, it's very inexpensive. You don't use a lot, and it goes a long way. But what I've been doing lately now is, instead of giving it the fertilizer in the last maybe 3 or 4 days, I've just been adding water to it because it's been drinking up so much liquid. So I just wanted to see if it would change anything, and the plant is still amazing. Look how healthy it is. Really, really nice. We've got a lot of growth happening down in the middle here, and really strong stalk. The stalk is super, super thick on this thing. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this because, I don't know what I'm going to do with it at this point. It's just too big. It's using up, I've got a rack with its own grow light now just for this specific plant, which, by the way, is a pumpkin plant. So it was a little silly of me to start this off this early in the season, because with our growing season, where I can go and plant this, around the first week of June, it's too far off. And I mean, this plant it'll just take over my whole room. But anyway, there we go. So just a really fast, kind of funny one. So that's it. I'll be keeping you up to date on my other plants. They're coming along really well. And so that's it for this really fast video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, look at the roots. That is amazing. Wow. There we go.